Yo, fam, there's a bird in the mall. Repeat, there is a bird in the mall. Guys, look, there's a bird on top of the TV. Yo, move. Yo, bird, I heard that smack you've been talking. I heard it, smack. You trying to throw a piece of bread at me? Prepare to go blind. Oh, it didn't work. Maybe it'll work on you. Or maybe you. Yo, Dad, chill. We are in pursuit of finding the bird. Right there. We're getting closer. Getting closer. I'm gonna scare it so hard it's gonna poop and it's gonna land on me. And then I'm gonna get good luck. Hey, bird. Lucky I don't have a rock to throw at you right now. Do it. Just do it. Next time, bird. The bird's back. Angel wants to get pooped on so badly. I want to get rich. You know it's not rich, it's good luck. Well, I don't care. Dang. We need to scare it so it can poop.
I need a french fry.
Something. Someone get a french fry.
Go away.
Okay, good. We got 2 packets of ketchup. We're about to throw it at them. Can't even see it. Okay, go throw the other one. Yo, you suck.
She didn't throw it yet.
Oh, give it to me. Let me show you how to throw like a pro. Someone hold it.
I'll hold it. Okay, ready? Yeah. Oh, dang it.
Here they are, trying to throw ketchup at. Yo, you cannot throw, Angel. But you got caught. Ooh, you got caught by the popo. Oh, you get smack him. Smack him. We should make a YouTube video of smack him. Alright, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys that there is a bird in the mall somehow. Okay, later guys. Bye. You want to give the signature handout again?
Yep.
Not too hard like last time. Ready?
Yep.
Set. Bye.